Hey y'all, and welcome back to the kitchen. In today's recipe, we are making a hash brown casserole. One of the ladies in the lunchroom named Margaret gave me this recipe, so I thought I'd share it with y'all. It's easy, it's cheaper, and it's budget friendly. So come on and let's put dinner on the table. Okay, now we're going to cut up one onion for our hash brown casserole. Okay, that's probably a little bit over 1 cup, but we're going to go with it. Preheat your oven to 375 while you're getting your casserole ready. Okay, this is what you're going to need for your hash brown casserole. You're going to need 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup or 1 large white onion or yellow onion, 2 cans of cream of mushroom, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, or the cheese you would like of your choice, whichever ones you like the best. We like cheddar cheese, so that's what we're using. And you need a 2-pound bag of hash browns. And this is what we have. You could use the diced hash browns or the shredded. So I've got shredded, so that's what I'm going to use. Some salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. And you're going to need 1 stick of butter. This is just a simple, easy hash brown casserole that most of the items you probably already have in your pantry. So come on, and we're going to mix this up and show you how it turns out. Okay, we're just going to go ahead first and add our sour cream. And that is 1 cup of sour cream, 8 ounces. Make sure we get it all out of here, and that's just 1 cup of sour cream. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my cream of mushroom. And you could make your own cream of mushroom or cream of chicken. Both cans. And if you was using less hash browns, you wouldn't have to use as much cream of mushroom. And now we're going to go ahead and add our onion. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Our oven's preheating, so it's ready. And now I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. And that's 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And we're just going to give that a mix. And fold that in good. Get all your ingredients blended together good. And now all we've got to do is add our hash browns. This is just a simple, easy hash brown casserole recipe. And now we're just gonna open our hash browns. And you want them defrosted or thawed. I tried to unthaw them. So this one right here, I've just got to break up just a little because I want them not chunky, I want them separated. And the recipe calls for 2 pounds. And this one is right at 2 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of it. Okay, and now we're just going to fold in our hash browns into our mixture. And we've almost got them all mixed. Just takes a few minutes to get all that cream of mushroom and that sour cream mixed in good with the hash browns. Okay, that's about as good as I'm going to get it. We're going to melt our 1 stick of butter in the microwave. Okay, now that we've got all the mixture in there and all the potatoes, the cheese, and everything's in there, now I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 stick of butter, and then we're going to give it another mix. And we're just going to fold in that cheese. I've got it all blended together good. Now we're going to put it in our baking dish and get ready to bake it on 375 for 40 minutes. Okay, don't forget to spray your casserole dish with just a little cooking spray. And now we're just going to put our hash brown mixture over into this casserole dish. Get it all in there. And now we'll just even it out real good. Let me wipe my hand off. Okay, once I've got it all even, I'm going to go ahead now and we're going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese just to the top. Just because I want it to get like a little golden crust on top. And the recipe don't call for this part, but I'm going to add it to it just because we like it. All right, that's what it looks like. That's a simple, easy hash brown casserole. So now we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it on 375 for 40 minutes. Just watch it because all ovens are different. When you get it the golden brown you want it, you can just take it out and it'll be ready. Just watch it to make sure you get the kind of golden brown you want on top of yours. So we're going to get it in there. We're not covering it. We're going to let it cook without a top. Going to let it get a little bit more browner. Okay, y'all. Here is our hash brown casserole. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.